Hello everyone. We are from Newton School. This is Ravi from Newton School. Today our topic is Python Crash Course, episode 4. Getting into the topic, we want to discuss about Newton School Grand Coding Contest. 27th of August. It was conducting on 27th of August by this month. Let's see into it. Here it is. newtonschool.co అనే వెబ్సైట్లోకి వెళ్ళండి. You can find there. ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ ద కాంటెస్ట్ అని ఉంటుంది. You can click here. ఇంకో ట్యాబ్లోకి వస్తారు. Then we have here college, specialization, year of graduation, and Newton School student or something where you find it from here. You are from social media platforms, and you can submit here. You can get the verification mail, and you can get to know when the coding contest starts from 27th. It was the coding contest. It has worth Rs 5 lakhs, winning exciting prizes Rs 5 lakhs. Do register for it. Join the contest and you get into another page. ఇందులో ఇక్కడ సబ్మిట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. You can get the verification mail. Now let's get into our topic. Let's get into our topic. Python Crash Course Episode 4. We have numbers, strings, lists, tuples, set, dictionary. Data types in Python. మనం ఇందులో డిస్కస్ చేసింది నంబర్స్, స్ట్రింగ్స్, లిస్ట్, టుపుల్స్ ఈరోజు డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు లిస్ట్. లిస్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి? ద లిస్ట్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ విజిటబుల్ డాటా టైప్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ పైథాన్ which can be written as a list of comma separated values between square brackets. లిస్ట్ అనేది స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్స్ లో రాస్తారు. Important thing about list is that the item in a list need not to be of the same type. అది ఇంటీజర్ కావచ్చు, స్ట్రింగ్ కావచ్చు, ఏదైనా రాయొచ్చు లిస్ట్ లోపల, స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ లోపల. These operations including indexing, slicing, adding, multiplying and checking for membership. List లో operations indexing, slicing, adding, multiplying, checking for membership. ఇప్పుడు మనం లిస్ట్ లో కొన్ని ఆపరేషన్స్ చూద్దాం. Getting into newtonschool.co, we have a website. There we have a coding platform here. First, the list is written in square brackets. Here we can write 1 comma 2 comma 3. We are written in square brackets. Next, print the list. Print the list. Now run the program. ఇక్కడ రన్ చేస్తే మనకి లిస్ట్ అవుట్పుట్ 1 కామా 2 కామా 3 స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్స్ లోపల 1 కామా 2 కామా 3 వచ్చేసింది. నెక్స్ట్ we want to add something, means we want to append. See here, list dot append comma 1 to 3 have. Now we want to append 4 here. Print list. Now 4 can be added there. See, now the output is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. We have appended the value here. Next we can also extend the more values. List dot extend and how we want to extend here. 1 comma, no, we have 1 comma 2 comma 3 4, and we can extend with 5 comma 6. It's good, I think. Can understand it. See, now print list. ఇక్కడ లిస్ట్ అనేది ఇప్పుడు ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఎక్స్టెండెడ్, ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసాం. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 1 2 3 4 5 6. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసినప్పుడు 1 2 3 4, అండ్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసింది 5 కామా 6 ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసాం. ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చేసి 1 కామా 2 కామా 3 కామా 4. ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేసిన వాల్యూస్ వచ్చేసి 5 కామా 6. We have extended the values 5 comma 6. See here, we have came here. Next we have insert. List dot insert. Insert in the place of 3 comma 7. Print list. Print list. ఇప్పుడు రన్ చేద్దాం. థర్డ్ ప్లేస్ లో 7 వస్తుంది. Yeah, see here, you can go with here 1 2 3, and in third place 1 2 3 7 4 5 6. థర్డ్ ప్లేస్ లో 7 వచ్చింది. Means we want to count from 0 0 1 and 2 and 3. In third place we get 7 in insert, and we can do another. We can do at last, we can do at first, and see once. I will give another example. List dot insert 4 comma 8. Print here the list. ఇప్పుడు లిస్ట్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది చూడండి. 4 ప్లేస్ లో 8 ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది. See here 0 1 2 3 4. In fourth place 8 has been printed. Fourth place లో 8 ప్రింట్ అయింది. We want to count from 0 for insertion. See 1 2 3 in 7 8 4 5 6 is the output for insertion. Next we have pop. Print list dot yeah, we got the output. We have popped the sixth last one. The last one has been popped up. And we have to do here, and we can reverse the list also. See here. Print list dot list is minus 1. We have reversed the list. See here 1 2 3 7 8 4 5 6. It goes to 1 2 3 4 7 8 4 5 6 ఉన్నది రివర్స్ అయింది. 6 5 4 8 7 3 2 1 అయింది చూడండి. And we have another way to reverse. See list dot reverse. print list dot reverse. Next we have slicing. 2 is 3. Now we can run here. See, 2 is an inclusive and 3 is an exclusive. 2 inclusive, we can see there. Exclusive, it goes out. See, 2 means we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See here, you see from here 2 to 3, right? See, 0, 1, 2, 3. We got 3. 0, 1, 2. 2 is an inclusive. 3 is an exclusive. These are all the exclusive. Only 3 it comes. 2. These are all the list operations in Python. We have more list operations in Python. Okay, next see into tuple operations. First get into introduction of tuples. Tuples. Python tuples is used to store the sequence of immutable Python objects. The tuple is similar to list since the value of the item stored in the list can be changed, whereas the tuple is immutable and the value of item stored in tuple cannot be changed. Tuple is immutable. It cannot be changed the values in it. Let's see some of the operations in tuples. Let's get into C website of Newton School. Here we find out the tuples are written in closed brackets. Tuple is equals to written in closed brackets 1 comma 2 comma 3, and we can print tuple, and we can find here we got the output. Now we got the output as 1 2 3. ఇప్పుడు మనం ట్యూపల్స్ ని క్లోజ్డ్ బ్రాకెట్ లో రాస్తారు. Then print tuples చేసాం. Next we got the output as 1 comma 2 comma 3, and we can concatenate. మనం రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేయగలం. Let's see how to add. This we take as tuple 1 and another one we take as tuple is equals to 4 comma 5 comma 6. Print tuple 1 plus tuple 2. We can get now. See here we got the output 1 2 3 and 4 5 6. We have added both the tuples concatenated. We have concatenated both the tuples into one. And when next we have some of the tuples. Operations, and we can change the list into tuple actually. See here How to change? List ni tuple lo marchagalamu. How to change? tuple tuple. We take list list of is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. We have a list and we have to change into tuple. Print tuple list. It's comma. Tuple is changed into list. Tuple list laga change అయింది. Let's see here. And we can slice the tuple also. Take tuple equals, turn in close brackets, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Do slicing here. Print tuple of 1 is 2. Oh, sorry, it's gone an error actually. And we can reverse the tuple. Sorry, it's gone an error here. Now it's getting. Next, we have some other operations, right? Right? Tuple, we take tuple and we can find the length of the tuple. Well, equals close brackets 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 1 comma 8. We can find length. Print length of tuple. See here, now we can run the program. We can find here 8. I think we can get min and max also. Min. The minimum is 1 and we'll do max. Max. We got max here. Is the output we are getting. 8 is the maximum value. These are all the tuple operations in Python. Thank you. Please do subscribe, like, share for the Newton School. This is Ravi from Newton School. Do register for the 27th of August Grand Coding Contest. Do participate and do earn the exciting prizes. We are from Newton School. Thank you for listening. Please do like, share and subscribe for the Newton School.